An Upwork job is your own small business, like a startup. So as with any businesses, starting out and achieving results both follow a simple rule. You need to analyze the existing proposal and make them better, if possible. Previously, we explored competitors and demand, so in this section, we will talk about how to fill in and optimize your profile to make it more attractive for potential clients and Upwork algorithms. Your profile appears as a showcase for Upwork to recommend you to potential clients, as well as for customers to choose you among others. To do so, Upwork uses algorithms to understand when it is best to suggest you. It processes the information you provide about yourself, which means you can manage the frequency with which your profile appears to relevant clients. I will share some tips on how you can do this. First of all, optimize your profile for certain search requests. The idea of this process is very similar to how you optimize a website for search algorithms. You need to add relevant keywords as often as possible. This means that all fields of your Upwork profile must be filled in, but pay special attention to filling in the title, description, work history, portfolio, and skills. I strongly recommend you include in the title your main specialization, skills, technology, and niche. Project names in your work history are also really important for Upwork algorithms because they refer to proof of your expertise in such tasks. So if you have such an opportunity, ask your customer to use the keywords you need in the name of the project you work on. It's easy to add it from their side until the moment they send the final offer. Continuing to fill in the information, go back to the table on which you worked during the analysis of existing projects and competitor profiles. There you have written the information about key skills. Take 15 of the most popular ones and add them to your skills section and work description in your portfolio. Don't omit the less important fields of your profile. Employment history, other experiences, and other additional sections are also worth filling in with keywords you need. But remember that keywords must be written in a natural way. Their use should be organic and relevant to your profile content, as well as to other projects you work with. After that, move on to the optimization of your profile for project technical requirements. In the previous lectures, when we worked with the jobs catalog, I asked you to save two parameters separately: specialization and key skills that customer considers necessary for completing the order. We have already indicated 15 of the most used skills in our profile, and in the next lecture we will analyze specializations in details.